Afternoon guys, Dan19792 back again with a quick update on the new car. Taking the wheels off of there, they've gone on to here. New lowering springs, discs and pads on the front, new shocks all round, wishbones etc. Having it sprayed up, done the wheels thanks to Premier Body Repairs in Hartford. Looking quite tasty. They're kind of gunmetal grey with like a blue shimmer, so like from certain angles you can see like a blue, and then other angles are grey. When the sunlight hits it, they're much nicer. Painted the calipers red. Was going to do the rears red, but just went with black in the end. It's not worth going all out red. So that's the wheels done, suspension done, all new linkages underneath. New lowers, new lower wishbones at the front. It's actually quite a tight ride now, nice and steady. Next up would be the exhaust that was off the old banger. Yeah, the exhaust has been took off of that one. Also I updated my wing mirror zippy dappy doodahs. The indicators on the mirrors in blacked out, and they got like the sequence where it sort of makes a line go out rather than just an indicator like the modern cars have got. So yeah, that's me second part of the mods. The bodywork is getting done as well. All the fins, the black fins and the ones on the back are going the same colour as the bodywork. Once they're done, they're going to be the same colour as bodywork, and the fins that go on the bottom will be the same colour as bodywork. And then what I'm having done is where the wheels have got the blue shimmer, the car's going to have a purple shimmer. I'm also doing the surrounds for the fog light, the chrome bits and the chrome lip, the same colour as the wheels, and also the rear diffuser, the grey bit, that will be going the same colour as the wheels. So yeah, happy days. Next video will come soon once the exhaust is on and the fins are on, because they're in the spray shop at the minute. The lower fins I'm talking about, like what's on the side skirt, they're at the spray shop getting done, same colour. But the rear's going to have 3 fins, so you'll have the one long one, a shorter one and then a shorter one, all at different angles. Then the front's going to have 2 on there, and then obviously I've got 2 going on there, but all to go on there. Yeah, looking rather nice. But Premier Body Repairs in Ware, Hartford, are the ones who've done the wheels. They're going to be doing the paintwork as well. And yeah, highly recommended. I'll try and find a link for them, so if anyone's interested in getting their car done, give them a shout. And just quote Blue Ford Focus, or Dan's Blue Ford Focus. Go away, man. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe or not, whatever. I'm not really fussed. It's just for my own little videos, so I don't really care. Take it easy, guys.